here at Chuck's Produce. This is Airplane Central also, just down the street from Dan's house. Pick up my curly Q hair. I haven't plucked it. There hasn't been a lot of planes today, but every time one comes I get quickly weird growing arm hairs that are all curly cued and don't point the right direction, especially down the back side of my arm right here. Neato, huh? I think there's a plane coming now though. And this thing likes to split open here, and strange hairs always seem to come out of it. What about this inside area here? I get some colorful arm hair. I even see some purples in there. There's some red in there. Funky. Oh, here comes a plane. How do I know? Because the pulsar is starting to pulse.